The underwater videography workshop was excellent. It was a great opportunity for me to learn. I do a lot of photo, but not as much video. So for me to expand into that frame of thinking, it's piecing together, telling stories, showing more than just an image. You gotta show an action.
Well, the thing that benefited me the most about this underwater workshop, I think, was the hands-on tuition that we had every night that we got to put into practice the next day. For example, lighting was something I never had much experience with, so I really enjoyed talking about lighting, using the lighting underwater in conjunction with filters, and just understanding the best ways to find lighting either through natural or artificial lights.
You know, we had people of very high level in the workshop that were had big rigs and fancy lights and things, and we had people with very basic camera setup and, you know, a lot less knowledge like I had. So, you know, I think it works for everybody, because always, you know, that hands-on part will give you the experience no matter what your level, right? Because there's always fine-tuning. It just gets, you know, it's, you know, shine your light this way, or either you get into like details of multiple lights and positioning, you know, for the advanced people.
The one thing that was the best for me was honestly the ability to try out gear, because it is so hard to go online and do research about camera gear, especially because it's so expensive. And really know what you do and don't want, because again, everyone has different styles, and depending on your style you want different gear. So the ability to just have access to all this camera gear, right from like the basic GoPro and all the accessories all the way to the high-end cameras, all at your disposal, was amazing. And now I know exactly what I want to buy. I know exactly what accessories I want to buy, and that would not have happened without the workshop. So that for me was a big plus. Makes me happy.